What makes a collegiate athletics department and its teams? It's not something you can hold or touch. It's not a crest on a jersey or uniform. It's not the walls of an athletic center or a court, field, or diamond. It's not something you can buy. It's the faces that walk its hallways. It's the people. You read the names in the newspapers or in press releases online. You see the photos and video highlights. But do you know what really goes into building the Holland Hurricanes? It's the athletes that train when nobody is watching. It's the coaches that study game tape late into the nights that go unnoticed. It's the operations staff that work overtime on evenings and weekends to provide a spotlight for others. It's the students that balance a practice, training, school, and travel schedule, and the teachers that understand how tough it can be. It's all of this and more, combined to build a passion that's grown over the past 15 years from humble beginnings to what it is today. This is Holland College, and this is the Hurricanes. Over the years, the faces may change, but this is a family that once you join, you're part of forever. This is the Holland Hurricanes.